Anatomy and physiology. 1. Abdomen. 2. Aorta. 3. Artery. 4. Bone. 5. Brain. 6. Cell. 7. Cervix. 8. Heart. 9. Kidney. 10. Liver. 11. Lung. 12. Muscle. 13. Nerve. 14. Pancreas. 15. Rib. 16. Skin. 17. Spleen. 18. Stomach. 19. Tendon. 20. Uterus. 21. Vein. 22. Abdomen. 23. Anemia. 24. Cartilage. 25. Chromosome. 26. Diaphragm. 27. Enzyme. 28. Epithelium. 29. Fetus. 30. Gland. 31. Hormone. 32. Ligament. 33. Mucosa. 34. Neuron. 35. Plasma. 36. Tissue. 37. Urethra. 38. Vertebra. 39. Zygote. 40. Cerebellum. 41. Cerebrum. 42. Thymus. 43. Appendix. 44. Bile. 45. Synapse. 46. Myocardium. 47. Pericardium. 48. Trachea. 49. Pharynx. 50. Larynx. Diseases and conditions. 51. Acne. 52. Arthritis. 53. Asthma. 54. Cancer. 55. Diabetes. 56. Epilepsy. 57. Fibromyalgia. 58. Heart disease. 59. Hypertension. 60. Influenza. 61. Leukemia. 62. Malaria. 63. Multiple sclerosis. 64. Osteoporosis. 65. Pneumonia. 66. Psoriasis. 67. Rheumatism. 68. Scoliosis. 69. Stroke. 70. Tuberculosis. 71. Ulcer. 72. Varicose veins. 73. Aneurysm. 74. Carpal tunnel syndrome. 75. Celiac disease. 76. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. 77. Gout. 78. Hyperthyroidism. 79. Hypothyroidism. 80. Irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. 81. Kidney stones. 82. Lyme disease. 83. Meningitis. 84. Parkinson's disease. 85. Peptic ulcer disease. 86. Shingles. 87. Sickle cell anemia. 88. Sleep apnea. 89. Thyroiditis. 90. Zika virus. Symptoms. 91. Abdominal pain. 92. Cough. 93. Diarrhea. 94. Dizziness. 95. Fatigue. 96. Fever. 97. Headache. 98. Itching. 99. Nausea. 100. Rash. 101. Shortness of breath. 102. Sweating. 103. Swelling. 104. Vomiting. 105. Weight loss. 106. Anxiety. 107. Depression. 108. Insomnia. 109. Memory loss. 110. Muscle weakness. Medical procedures. 111. Amputation. 112. Biopsy. 113. Blood test. 114. CAT scan. 115. Chemotherapy. 116. CT scan. 117. Dialysis. 118. Endoscopy. 119. Infusion. 120. MRI. 121. Nebulization. 122. Radiation therapy. 123. Surgery. 124. Transfusion. 125. Ultrasound. 126. Vaccination. 127. X-ray 128. Angioplasty. 129. Appendectomy. 130. Bronchoscopy. 131. Colonscopy. 132. Electrocardiogram ECG. 133. Gastroscopy. 134. Laparoscopy. 135. Pap smear. 136. Physical examination. 137. Skin test. 138. Stress test. 161. Anesthesiology. 162. Cardiology. 163. Dermatology. 164. Endocrinology. 165. Gastroenterology. 166. Gynecology. 167. Hematology. 168. Neurology. 169. Oncology. 170. Orthopedics. 171. Otolaryngology. 172. Pediatrics. 173. Psychiatry. 174. Radiology. 175. Rheumatology. 176. Urology. 177. Surgery. 178. Family medicine. 179. Internal medicine. 180. Emergency medicine. 138. Stress test. 139. Thoracentesis. 140. Tracheostomy. Treatments and medications. 141. Antibiotic. 142. Antidepressant. 143. Antihistamine. 144. Antiviral. 145. Aspirin. 146. Beta blocker. 147. Corticosteroid. 148. Diuretic. 138. Stress test. 139. Thoracentesis. 140. Tracheostomy. Treatments and medications. 141. Antibiotic. 142. Antidepressant. 143. Antihistamine. 144. Antiviral. 145. Aspirin. 146. Beta blocker. 147. Corticosteroid. 148. Diuretic. 149. Insulin. 150. Narcotic. 151. Pain reliever. 152. Sedative. 153. Vaccine. 154. Anesthetic. 155. Anticoagulant. 156. Statin. 157. Chemotherapy. 158. Hormone replacement therapy. 159. Immunotherapy. 160. Proton pump inhibitor. Medical equipment and devices. 181. Bandage. 182. Blood pressure cuff. 183. Catheter. 184. ECG machine. 185. Endoscope. 186. Glucometer. 187. MRI machine. 188. Nebulizer. 189. Otoscope. 190. Scalpel. 191. Stethoscope. 192. Syringe. 193. Thermometer. 194. Ventilator. 195. Wheelchair. 196. X-ray machine. 197. Pacemaker. 198. Crutches. 199. IV drip. 200. Blood glucose monitor. Common lab tests. 221. Complete blood count, CBC. 222. Lipid panel. 223. Liver function tests. 224. Basic metabolic panel, BMP. 225. Thyroid function tests. 226. Urinalysis. 227. Blood culture. 228. Rapid strep test. 229. Electrolyte panel. 230. Coagulation profile. Medical abbreviations. 231. BP blood pressure. 232. HR heart rate. 233. IV intravenous. 234. MRI, magnetic resonance imaging. 235. CT, computed tomography. 236. ECG, electrocardiogram. 237. RX prescription. 238. CBC, complete blood count. 239. TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. 240. DNR do not resuscitate. Prefixes and suffixes. 201. AM without. 202. Anti against. 203. Bradislow, 204. Cardioheart, 205. Seitzel, 206. Difficult, painful, 207. Indauthin, 208. Epiupin, 209. Hyperexcessive, 210. Hip below normal, 211. Interbetween, 212. Malabad, 213. Neonu, 214. Pre-before, 215. Post-after, 216. Subunder, 217. Transacross, 218. Itis, inflammation, 219. Ology, study of, 220. Ectomy, surgical removal. Health insurance, 261. Copayment, 262. Deductible, 263. Premium, 264. Network, 265. Out-of-pocket, 266. Claim, 267. Coverage, 268. Benefits, 269. Pre-authorization, 270. Exclusion. Nutrition and diet, 241. Calorie, 242. Carbohydrate, 243. Cholesterol, 244. Dietary fiber, 245. Fat, 246. Glycemic index, 247. Macronutrients, 248. Micronutrients, 249. Protein, 250. Vitamin. Public health, 251. Epidemiology, 252. Immunization, 253. Outbreak, 254. Pandemic, 255. Quarantine, 256. Screening, 257. Surveillance, 258. Vaccine, 259. Vector, 260. Wellness. Genetics, 291. Allele, 292. Chromosome, 293. DNA deoxyribonucleic acid, 294. Gene, 295. Genetic mutation, 296. Genome, 297. Heredity, 298. Inheritance, 299. Mutation, 300. Phenotype. Mental health, 271. Anxiety disorder, 272. Bipolar disorder, 273. Depression, 274. Obsessive compulsive disorder, OCD, 275. Post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, 276. Schizophrenia, 277. Stress management, 278. Therapy, 279. Psychotherapy, 280. Counselor. Medical ethics, 281. Autonomy, 282. Beneficence, 283. Confidentiality, 284. Consent, 285. Justice, 286. Malpractice, 287. Non-maleficence, 288. Patient rights, 289. Professionalism, 290. Ethics Committee. Emergency medical terms, 321. Abrasion, 322. Asphyxia, 323. Burn, 324. Cardiac arrest, 325. Contusion, 326. Dislocation, 327. Fracture, 328. Hemorrhage, 329. Laceration, 330. Shock. Infectious diseases, 301. Bacteria, 302. Virus, 303. Fungi, 304. Parasite, 305. Infection, 306. Contagious, 307. Antibiotic resistance, 308. Zoonotic disease, 309. Vector-borne disease, 310. Communicable disease. Surgical terms, 311. Anastomosis, 312. Biopsy, 313. Catheterization, 314. Coagulation, 315. Hemostasis. 316. Incision. 317. Laparotomy. 318. Suturing. 319. Graft. 320. Reconstruction. Pediatrics. 331. Immunization. 332. Growth chart. 333. Developmental milestones. 334. Pediatrician. 335. Neonate. 336. Infant. 337. Toddler. 338. Adolescent. 339. Child abuse. 340. SIDS, sudden infant death syndrome. Miscellaneous terms. 351. Acupuncture. 352. Alternative medicine. 353. Anesthesia. 354. Aromatherapy. 355. Chiropractic. 356. Holistic health. 357. Meditation. 358. Reflexology. 359. Traditional medicine. 360. Wellness. Geriatrics. 341. Aging. 342. Dementia. 343. Frailty. 344. Geriatrician. 345. Long-term care. 346. Palliative care. 347. Polypharmacy. 348. Rehabilitation. 349. Senior care. 350. End-of-life care. Occupational health. 361. Ergonomics. 362. Occupational therapy. 363. Workplace safety. 364. Industrial hygiene. 365. Health promotion. 366. Return to work. 367. Rehabilitation. 368. Disability. 369. Exposure. 370. Health assessment. Pharmaceutical terms. 371. Pharmacology. 372. Prescription. 373. Side effects. 374. Pharmacokinetics. 375. Pharmacodynamics. 376. Drug interaction. 377. Formulary. 378. Compounding. 379. Medication administration. 380. Toxicology. Complementary and alternative medicine. 391. Acupuncture. 392. Ayurveda. 393. Chiropractic. 394. Herbal medicine. 395. Homeopathy. 396. Massage therapy. 397. Naturopathy. 398. Reiki. 399. Traditional Chinese medicine. 400. Yoga. Advanced imaging techniques. 401. Fluoroscopy. 402. PT scan. 403. SBCT scan. 404. Ultrasound. 405. Digital X-ray. 406. 3D mammography. 407. Contrast dye. 408. Imaging agent. 409. Nuclear medicine. 410. Tomography. Health informatics. 411. Electronic health record (EHR). 412. Telemedicine. 413. Health information technology. 414. Clinical decision support. 415. Patient portal. 416. Interoperability. 417. Data analytics. 418. Cybersecurity. 419. Health data exchange. 420. Mobile health. Women's health. 431. Menopause. 432. Ovulation. 433. Reproductive health. 434. Contraception. 435. Obstetrics. 436. Gynecologist. 437. Mammogram. 438. Pap test. 439. Prenatal care. 440. Menstrual cycle. Clinical research. 421. Clinical trial. 422. Informed consent. 423. Randomized controlled trial, RCT, 424. Placebo, 425. Double-blind study, 426. Protocol, 427. Outcome measure, 428. Subject recruitment, 429. Data collection, 430. Research ethics. Men's health, 441. Andrology, 442. Erectile dysfunction, 443. Prostate health, 444. Testosterone, 445. Vasectomy, 446. Male infertility, 447. Testosterone replacement therapy, 448. Sexual health, 449. Male pattern baldness, 450. Gynecomastia. Environmental health, 451. Air quality, 452. Water quality, 453. Environmental toxins, 454. Pollution, 455. Occupational hazards, 456. Hazardous waste, 457. Climate change, 458. Sustainability, 459. Public health policy, 460. Environmental assessment. Epidemiology terms, 461. Incidence, 462. Prevalence, 463. Outbreak, 464. Epidemic, 465. Endemic, 466. Surveillance, 467. Case control study, 468. Cohort study, 469. Risk assessment, 470. Public health intervention. Physical therapy, 481. Rehabilitation, 482. Mobility, 483. Strength training, 484. Range of motion, 485. Gait analysis, 486. Therapeutic exercise, 487. Manual therapy, 488. Modalities, 489. Sports medicine, 490. Posture correction. Nutritional science, 471. Antioxidant, 472. Dietary supplement, 473. Micronutrient, 474. Macronutrient, 475. Nutrient density, 476. Caloric intake, 477. Food pyramid, 478. Dietary guidelines, 479. Nutritional label, 480. Metabolism. Pediatric terms, 491. Pediatrician, 492. Neonatology, 493. Growth chart, 494. Developmental screening, 495. Childhood obesity, 496. Vaccination schedule, 497. SIDS, sudden infant death syndrome, 498. Asthma management, 499. Autism spectrum disorder, 500. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder ADHD. Geriatric terms, 501. Geriatrician, 502. Aging process, 503. Cognitive decline, 504. Dementia care, 505. Frailty syndrome, 506. Long-term care, 507. Palliative care, 508. Elder abuse, 509. Polypharmacy, 510. Advanced directives. Genetic terms, 511. Genotype, 512. Genetic counseling, 513. Inherited disorder, 514. Genetic screening, 515. Carrier testing, 516. CRISPR, 517. Genome editing, 518. Gene therapy, 519. Mendelian inheritance, 520. Genetic predisposition. Common diseases, 521. Hypertension, 522. Diabetes mellitus, 523. Hyperlipidemia, 524. Coronary artery disease, 525. Heart failure, 526. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. 527. Asthma. 528. Osteoarthritis. 529. Rheumatoid arthritis. 530. Alzheimer's disease. Infectious diseases. 531. Bacterial infection. 532. Viral infection. 533. Fungal infection. 534. Protozoal infection. 535. Zoonotic disease. 536. Antimicrobial resistance. 537. Vaccination. 538. Infection control. 539. Antibiotic stewardship. 540. Nosocomial infection. Emergency terms. 541. Trauma. 542. Resuscitation. 543. CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. 544. AD, automated external defibrillator. 545. Triage. 546. Emergency room. 547. First aid. 548. Shock. 549. Hemorrhage. 550. Laceration. Public health concepts. 561. Health equity. 562. Social determinants of health. 563. Health promotion. 564. Disease prevention. 565. Community health. 566. Epidemiological study. 567. Vaccination campaigns. 568. Public health education. 569. Health policy. 500. Common medical equipment. 551. Sphygmomanometer. 552. Stethoscope. 553. Otoscope. 554. Thermometer. 555. Blood glucose meter. 556. Nebulizer. 557. Pulse oximeter. 558. Syringe. 559. Scalpel. 560. Bandage. Pharmacology terms. 571. Pharmacokinetics. 572. Pharmacodynamics. 573. Drug formulation. 574. Adverse drug reaction. 575. Drug interactions. 576. Therapeutic index. 577. Prescription medication. 578. Over-the-counter medication. 579. Controlled substances. 580. Opioids. Health informatics. 581. Electronic health record (EHR). 582. Telehealth. 583. Health information exchange. HI. 584. Clinical decision support system. 585. Data analytics. 586. Cybersecurity in healthcare. 587. Health app. 588. Patient portal. 589. Population health management. 590. Health informatics. Occupational health terms. 601. Occupational exposure. 602. Work-related injury. 603. Occupational therapy. 604. Ergonomics. 605. Safety protocols. 606. Health surveillance. 607. Workplace wellness. 608. Return to work program. 609. Industrial hygiene. 610. Risk assessment. Clinical research. 591. Clinical trial. 592. Informed consent. 593. Randomized control trial. 594. Cohort study. 595. Case control study. 596. Blinded study. 597. Research ethics. 598. Patient recruitment. 599. Data analysis. 600. Outcome measures. End-of-life care. 611. Palliative care. 612. Hospice care. 613. Advance directives. 614. Living will. 615. Do not resuscitate DNR. 616. Grief counseling. 617. Bereavement. 618. End-of-life planning. 619. Comfort care. 620. Terminal illness. Sleep medicine. 621. Sleep apnea. 622. Insomnia. 623. Circadian rhythm. 624. Sleep study, polysomnography. 625. REM sleep. 626. Narcolepsy. 627. Sleep disorder. 628. CPAP, continuous positive airway pressure. 629. Sleep hygiene. 630. Restless leg syndrome. Nutrition and dietetics. 631. Dietary assessment. 632. Nutritional therapy. 633. Macronutrients. 634. Micronutrients. 635. Food allergies. 636. Nutrition education. 637. Dietary supplements. 638. Healthy eating. 639. Food pyramid. 640. Weight management. Additional medical terminology. 651. Acute. 652. Chronic. 653. Diagnosis. 654. Prognosis. 655. Etiology. 656. Pathology. 657. Symptom. 658. Syndrome. 659. Treatment. 660. Intervention. Complementary and alternative medicine. 641. Acupuncture. 642. Chiropractic. 643. Homeopathy. 644. Herbal medicine. 645. Naturopathy. 646. Mindfulness. 647. Meditation. 648. Yoga therapy. 649. Aromatherapy. 650. Reiki. Complementary and alternative medicine. 641. Acupuncture. 642. Chiropractic. 643. Homeopathy. 644. Herbal medicine. 645. Naturopathy. 646. Mindfulness. 647. Meditation. 648. Yoga therapy. 649. Aromatherapy. 650. Reiki. Terms related to healthcare. Delivery. 661. Healthcare system. 662. Managed care. 663. Health insurance. 664. Patient-centered care. 665. Telemedicine. 666. Community health center. 667. Urgent care. 668. Primary care. 669. Specialty care. 670. Integrated care. Terms related to healthcare. Delivery. 661. Healthcare system. 662. Managed care. 663. Health insurance. 664. Patient-centered care. 665. Telemedicine. 666. Community health center. 667. Urgent care. 668. Primary care. 669. Specialty care. 670. Integrated care. Additional medical terminology. 651. Acute. 652. Chronic. 653. Diagnosis. 654. Prognosis. 655. Etiology. 656. Pathology. 657. Symptom. 658. Syndrome. 659. Treatment. 660. Intervention. Chronic disease management. 681. Self-management. 682. Disease management program. 683. Care coordination. 684. Patient education. 685. Chronic care model, 686. Health coaching, 687. Lifestyle modification, 688. Medication adherence, 689. Caregiver support, 690. Integrated health services. 81. Qualitative research, 672. Quantitative research, 673. Cross-sectional study, 674. Longitudinal study, 675. Experimental study, 676. Observational study, 677. Random sampling, 600. Health and wellness, 711. Wellness, 712. Preventive care, 713. Health screening, 714. Risk assessment, 715. Lifestyle change, 716. Health promotion, 717. Nutrition, 718. Exercise, 719. Stress reduction, 720. Mindfulness. Anatomy terms, 721. Abdomen, 722. Aorta, 723. Arm, 724. Back, 725. Brain, 726. Chest, 727. Foot, 728. Head, 729. Leg, 730. Spine. Psychology, 6. Health psychology, 691. Health behavior, 692. Coping strategies, 693. Stress management, 694. Behavioral intervention, 695. Patient adherence, 696. Motivation, 697. Health belief model, 698. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, 699. Social support, 700. Psychological resilience. Miscellaneous medical vocabulary, 701. Adhesion, 702. Biopsy, 703. Catheter, 704. Diagnosis, 705. Electrode, 706. Fistula, 707. Graft, 708. Hematoma, 709. Incision, 710. Junction.
Medical Terminology Roots, 731. Cardio Heart, 732. Dermo Skin, 733. Gastro Stomas, 734.
Common conditions, 741. Allergy, 742. Anemia, 743. Arthritis, 744. Asthma, 745. Cancer, 746. Diabetes, 747. Hypertension, 748. Obesity, 749. Osteoporosis, 750. Stroke.
Medical Terminology Roots, 731. Cardio Heart, 732. Dermo Skin, 733. Gastro Stomas, 734. Hematio Blood, 735. Neuro Nerve, 736. Osteobone, 737. Psychomind, 738. Radio Rei Radiation, 739. Respiro Breathing, 740. Temo Hit.
Medical devices, 761. Defibrillator, 762. Pacemaker, 763. Stent, 764. Catheter, 765. IV pump, 766. Dialysis machine, 767. Ventilator, 768. Spirometer, 769. Nebulizer, 770. Glucometer. Health statistics, 751. Mortality rate, 752. Morbidity rate, 753. Prevalence, 754. Incidence, 755. Risk factor, 756. Survival rate, 757. Vaccination coverage, 758. Life expectancy, 759. Disability adjusted life years daily, 760. Quality adjusted life years, CALI. Health terms related to lifestyle, 771. Diet, 772. Exercise, 773. Sleep, 774. Stress management, 775. Substance abuse, 776. Smoking cessation, 777. Alcohol use, 778. Nutrition education, 779. Fitness, 780. Weight loss. Medical education, 781. Medical school, 782. Residency, 783. Fellowship, 784. Continuing medical education, CME, 785. Board certification, 786. Clinical skills, 787. Patient care, 788. Evidence-based practice, 789. Clinical guidelines, 790. Professional development. Emergency medical terms, 791. Trauma, 792. CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, 793. AD, automated external defibrillator, 794. Triage, 795. Emergency response, 796. First aid, 797. Shock, 798. Fracture, 799. Contusion, 800. Laceration. Pharmaceutical terms, 801. Pharmacology, 802. Drug formulation, 803. Dosage, 804. Side effects, 805. Contraindications, 806. Adverse reactions, 807. Bioavailability, 808. Therapeutic window, 809. Drug metabolism, 810. Prescription drugs. Genetic terms, 811. Allele, 812. Chromosome, 813. DNA deoxyribonucleic acid, 814. Gene, 815. Mutation, 816. Genotype, 817. Phenotype, 818. Genetic counseling, 819. Heredity, 820. Genetic predisposition. Immunology, 821. Antibody, 822. Antigen, 823. Immune system, 824. Vaccine, 825. Immunization, 826. Allergy, 827. Autoimmunity, 828. Cytokines, 829. T cells, 830. B cells. Common medical abbreviations, 831. PRN as needed, 832. BID twice a day, 833. TID 3 times a day, 834. QD once a day, 835. KID 4 times a day, 836. NPO nothing by mouth, 837. VS, vital signs, 838. HX history, 839. FX fracture, 840. SX, symptoms. Biostatistics, 841. Sample size, 842. Hypothesis testing, 843. Confidence interval, 844. Statistical significance, 845. P-value, 846. Chi-square test, 847. T-test, 848. Regression analysis, 849. Correlation, 850. Variance. Occupational health and safety, 851. OSHA Occupational Safety and Health Administration, 852. Workers' compensation, 853. Safety protocols, 854. Ergonomics, 855. Job hazards, 856. Personal protective equipment, PP, 857. Risk assessment, 858. Occupational therapy, 859. Industrial hygiene, 860. Health surveillance. Cardiovascular terms, 871. Arrhythmia, 872. Atherosclerosis, 873. Coronary artery disease, 874. Heart failure, 875. Hypertension, 876. Myocardial infarction, 877. Angina, 878. Stroke, 879. Heart valve, 880. Echocardiogram. Complementary medicine, 861. Acupuncture, 862. Chiropractic, 863. Homeopathy, 864. Herbal medicine, 865. Naturopathy, 866. Mindfulness, 867. Meditation, 868. Yoga, 869. Aromatherapy, 870. Reflexology. Term. Gastroenterology terms, 881. Gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, 882. Irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, 883. Crohn's disease, 884. Ulcerative colitis, 885. Hepatitis, 886. Cirrhosis, 887. Pancreatitis, 888. Celiac disease, 889. Gallbladder, 890. Endoscopy. Neurology terms, 891. Alzheimer's disease, 892. Epilepsy, 893. Stroke, 894. Multiple sclerosis, 895. Parkinson's disease, 896. Migraine, 897. Neuropathy, 898. Seizure, 899. Neurodegenerative disease, 900. Cerebral palsy. Terms related to rehabilitation, 901. Physical therapy, 902. Occupational therapy, 903. Speech therapy, 904. Rehabilitation, 905. Mobility, 906. Therapeutic exercise, 907. Pain management, 908. Assistive devices, 909. Gait training, 910. Functional independence. Endocrinology terms, 911. Hormone, 912. Thyroid, 913. Insulin, 914. Diabetes, 915. Adrenal gland, 916. Pituitary gland, 917. Endocrine disorder, 918. Metabolism, 919. Hormone replacement therapy, 920. Hyperthyroidism. Obstetrics and gynecology terms, 921. Menstruation, 922. Ovulation, 923. Pregnancy, 924. Menopause, 925. Fertility, 926. Contraception, 927. Pap smear, 928. Ultrasound, 929. Gestation, 930. Obstetrician. Research and evidence-based practice, 941. Clinical trial, 942. Evidence-based practice, 943. Systematic review, 944. Meta-analysis, 945. Randomized control trial, RCT, 946. Cohort study, 947. Case control study, 948. Sample size calculation, 949. Confounding variable, 950. Research hypothesis. Cancer terminology, 931. Oncology, 932. Tumor, 933. Carcinoma, 934. Sarcoma, 935. Chemotherapy, 936. Radiation therapy, 937. Immunotherapy, 938. Metastasis, 939. Staging, 940. Biopsy. Chronic disease management, 951. Self-management, 952. Disease management, 953. Care coordination, 954. Patient education, 955. Health coaching, 956. Medication adherence, 957. Lifestyle intervention, 958. Chronic care model, 959. Support groups, 960. Telehealth. Health promotion and disease prevention, 961. Public health, 962. Health education, 963. Screening, 964. Immunization, 965. Risk assessment, 966. Behavior change, 967. Community outreach, 968. Nutrition education, 969. Exercise promotion, 970. Smoking cessation programs. Miscellaneous medical terms, 971. Acute, 972. Chronic, 973. Diagnosis, 974. Prognosis, 975. Etiology, 976. Pathology, 977. Symptom, 978. Syndrome, 979. Treatment, 980. Intervention. Advanced medical terms. General medical vocabulary, 981. Healthcare, 982. Patient, 983. Provider, 984. Consultation, 985. Referral, 986. Admission, 987. Discharge, 988. Treatment plan, 989. Follow-up, 990. Health record. 991. Hematopoiesis, 992. Hemoglobin, 993. Immunoglobulin, 994. Osteogenesis, 995. Nephrology, 996. Pharmacodynamics, 997. Psychopathology, 998. Virology, 999. Zoonosis, 1000. Xenobiotic. Advanced medical terms. Feel free to ask for more details on specific terms or topics.